Hi, my name is Michelle Fernandez. It is January 14th, 2019, and I am going to do my week one video exercise, which is I'm going to provide instruction on how to digitally label images on the computer. So the way I do it is I go to the assignments and I go to our lab exercises over lab exercise instructions. Okay, and then here we're going to go to the endocrine lab assistant, and I open that. Okay, from here, the way I did mine was I clicked on the image, and I'm going to copy this one, but what I did was let me see which one we're going to do. Okay, the pituitary gland. Okay, so I clicked on the image and then I press cut. And from here, I close this and I go to my Google, my email, and I go to my drive. Okay, and then from there, I go to, so in my email, what I did was I go here, right there, to the little squares, and then I go to drive. Okay, and I press drive, and then this is what opens. Okay, so then from here, while I'm in the drive part of my Google email, I press new, and then I go to more, and then I go Google Drawings. Once that opens up, it doesn't let you paste it automatically. What you have to do is, what you have to do is you press Control and then the letter V, and automatically it shows up. It is small, so what I do is I try to make it a little bit bigger. Sorry. So you can see what it is I'm doing. Okay, and then in order to make this, I center it. And then in order to get it, for us to label the nucleus of the pituitary, what I do is I go to the text box, I press on text box, and then I go here. Okay, so here, and then I make, oh my God, I would make a text box, and I would make a text box right here. And that is where I would put nucleus of pituitary. I would type that in as it is already. Okay, and then what happens is I go here to my arrow. Okay, and I want to make it a little darker, so I go to the 2 because that's a pretty good. And then automatically from here, you make an arrow that goes to the nucleus of the pituitary, and then there you've made your first label and your arrow. Okay, once, and then I got the basophil and the acidophil cell. So and you do the same with those. You do the text box, you put it where you want it, and then from there you press your arrow here and you just point to the object, okay, of where you want to be. And then once you're done with that, what I do is on my computer, I download as a JPEG image, and then it will upload to my computer into my pictures. So then I go back to the assignment. I go back to my Word, my lab assistant, and right here, and what I do is I press insert, go to pictures, and as you can see, I have a lot of different labs that I've done, and I go down to the one I'm looking for, which is right, the first one, and I double click and automatically it shows up. And that's exactly how I do it. And thank you very much. And I hope that that helped and that was a good demonstration. Thank you. Good night.